We're going to make our dolls a 4th of July Yule Log. Cut out 2 long strips of red and blue foam. Their size depends on how large you want your Yule Log to be. Hot glue both strips together. Hot glue while rolling up both strips. It should look something like this. Use puffy paint to look like extra icing. I used mine in the center swirl, at the bottom, and for dollops at the top. Use beads to place on top of the dollops. Creating a miniature 4th of July Yule Log. Make sure to subscribe and get crafting.